We discuss about the number system. Number system is classified into 4 types. First one is decimal number system. Second one is binary number system. Third one is octal number system. Fourth one is hexadecimal number system. So now we discuss about each type individually. First one is decimal number system. Decimal means it has total 10 digits. So it has digits 0 to 9. It has the base or radix of 10. Example for decimal number system is 123 to the base 10. And second one is binary number system. It has 2 digits 0 and 1, and it has the base or radix of 2. Example for binary number system is 10110 to the base 2. And the third one is octal number system. The octal means 8. So it has 8 digits 0 to 7. Base or radix is 8. Example for octal number system is 136 to the base 8. And the fourth one is hexadecimal number system. Here hexadecimal means it has total 16 digits 0 to 9, and 10 to 15 we represent with A to F. 10 is represented with A, 11 is represented with B, 12 is represented with C, 13 is represented with D, 14 is represented with E, and 15 is represented with F. Now we discuss about the number system conversions. There are 3 types of conversions. So first one is decimal to any radix conversion. Second one is any radix to decimal conversion. And third one is any radix to any radix conversion. So now we discuss about each type of conversion individually. First one is decimal to any radix conversion. So in this we have to convert decimal to binary, octal as well as hexadecimal. So in this first we discuss about the conversion of decimal to binary. So if we take the example 25 to the base 10, I have to convert it into the binary. So LCM 25 with respect to 2. So 2 12s are 24, the remainder is 1. 2 6s are 12, the remainder is 0. 2 3s are 6, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, the remainder is 1. This one is the LSB bit and this one is the MSB bit. Here LSB stands for least significant bit and MSB stands for most significant bit. So 25 to the base 10 is converted into binary as 11001 to the base 2, and the second one is conversion of decimal to octal. Here I take the example of 37 to the base 10. I have to convert it into the octal. So LCM 37 with respect to 8. 8 4s are 32 and the remainder is 5. LSB bit and MSB bit. So 37 to the base 10 is converted into 45 to the base 8. Now here third one is conversion of decimal to hexadecimal. So here I take the example of 30 to the base 10. I have to convert it into the hexadecimal. So LCM 30 with respect to 16. 16 ones are 16 and the remainder is 14. So this one is the LSB bit and this one is the MSB bit. So 30 to the base 10 is converted into hexadecimal as 14. 14 is represented with E. 1E to the base 16. Now second type of conversion is any radix to decimal conversion. So in this we have to convert binary, octal and hexadecimal to decimal. So first we discuss about the conversion of binary to decimal. In this I will take the example of 10011 to the base 2. Here I have to convert it into the decimal. So 10011 I have to multiply it with 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 into 1 plus 2 power 3 into 0 plus 2 power 2 into 0 plus 2 power 1 into 1 plus 2 power 0 into 1. So 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 is nothing but 19. So 10011 to the base 2 is converted into 19 to the base 10. And the second one is conversion of octal to decimal. So here I take the example of 123 to the base 8. Now I have to convert it into the decimal. So 1, 2, 3 I multiply with 0 power 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 2 into 1 plus 8 power 1 into 2 plus 8 power 0 into 3. So 64 plus 16 plus 3 is nothing but 83. So 1, 2, 3 to the base 8 is converted into 83 to the base 10. And the third type of conversion is conversion of hexadecimal to decimal. Here I take the example of ECE to the base 16. I have to convert it into the decimal. So ECE I have to multiply it with 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. So 16 power 2 E is represented with 14 and C is represented with 12. We represent it so 14 plus 16 power 1 into 12 plus 16 power 0 into 14. 256 into 14 plus 16 into 12 plus 1 into 14. So we get overall answer as 3790. So ECE to the base 16 is converted into 3790 to the base 10. Now third type of conversion is any radix to any radix conversion. So now in this we have to convert binary to octal and octal to binary. Next binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary, and octal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to octal. So first one binary to octal. In this we take the example as 10111000101. I have to convert it into the octal. So here 2 power 3 means 8 means 2 power 3, so I have to divide 3 digits into one block. So here only 1 is left. I will add 2 more zeros. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Here 4, here 3, and here 1. So 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 to the base 2 is converted into 1 3 4 5 to the base 8. And now second one is conversion of octal to binary. In this I will take the example of 123 to the base 8. I have to convert it into binary. So 1 2 3, I have to represent it in a binary, so it should be zeros and ones only. So 3 means 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. So 123 to the base 8 is converted into binary as 123 to the base 8 is converted into 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 to the base 2. And now third one is conversion of a binary to hexadecimal. So I will take the example as 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 to the base 2. I have to convert it into the hexadecimal. So hexadecimal 16 means 2 power 4. 4 digits are divided into one block. This, and I will add 3 more zeros. So here 8 4 2 1. So total is 15. 15 is represented with F. Here 6, and it is 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 to the base 2 is represented in this hexadecimal as 16F to the base 16. And the fourth one is conversion of hexadecimal to binary. I take the example as a triple to the base 16 and 2. So triple is represented in binary as E means 14. 14 is represented in binary as 1 1 1 0. So 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 0. So triple to the base 16 is represented in binary as 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 to the base 2. And the fifth one is conversion of octal to hexadecimal. So we should remember that we can't directly convert octal to hexadecimal. For that, first we have to convert octal to binary, and then this binary to hexadecimal. As we earlier discussed the conversion of octal to binary, in this way we have to convert the octal to binary and then binary to hexadecimal. Here we discussed the conversion of a binary to hexadecimal. Like this we have to convert the octal to hexadecimal. And the sixth one is conversion of hexadecimal to octal. In this also we can't directly convert hexadecimal to octal. For this we have to first convert hexadecimal to binary and then this binary to octal. So as we earlier discussed the conversion of hexadecimal to binary, in this way we have to convert hexadecimal to binary and then binary to octal. Like this we have to convert the binary to octal. In such way we can convert the hexadecimal to octal. Thank you.